Welcome to a journey into the future, where artificial intelligence is not just a concept, but a powerful force actively reshaping our world. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 AI innovations shaping humanity right now, exploring breakthroughs that are transforming industries and daily life. First up, multimodal AI models are revolutionizing how machines understand our world by integrating information from various sources like text, images, audio, and video. These advanced models, including Google's Gemini and OpenAI's GPT-4v, can process and combine different types of information to achieve a more nuanced understanding. They can perform tasks like image captioning, generating images from text, and translating across nearly 100 languages using both text and voice inputs. Next, real-time AI personal assistants are evolving beyond simple commands to become intelligent tools that manage tasks, provide information, and automate workflows. These assistants, like Gemini and ChatGPT, integrate directly with calendars, emails, notes, and documents to significantly improve productivity. They reduce context switching, remind users of important tasks, and break down large projects into smaller, manageable steps. Our third innovation is AI-generated video and virtual humans, transforming customer service, education, marketing, and healthcare. Digital humans are realistic virtual replicas that communicate using verbal and nonverbal cues, looking and acting like real people. Platforms like HeyGen and Synthesia are leading the way in creating accessible and scalable digital humans for various purposes, from training to customer service. Fourth, AI in medicine and scientific discovery is revolutionizing healthcare by assisting in diagnostics, drug development, and patient communication. AI algorithms can analyze medical images to detect early signs of diseases like cancer with greater accuracy than human doctors. It's also being used in robotic surgery, performing complex procedures with incredible precision and generating new hypotheses in scientific research. Finally, autonomous robotics is impacting various industries by automating repetitive tasks, improving efficiency, and enhancing safety. Autonomous mobile robots are deployed in automotive, pharmaceuticals, and e-commerce to transport materials and manage inventories. In healthcare, robots assist with surgical procedures and rehabilitation, while also being used for security and space exploration. These 5 AI innovations are poised to significantly impact humanity, offering new possibilities and transforming various aspects of our lives. What do you think is the most impactful AI innovation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the AI Innovations and Tools channel for more AI gems.